Avoid scams, a guide to staying safe. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a crucial topic: how to avoid scams. Whether you're online or in the real world, scams can be anywhere, and it's vital to know how to protect yourself. So let's get started. A scam is a dishonest scheme designed to cheat you out of your money, personal information, or both. Scammers are cunning and use various tactics to trick people. It's important to stay informed and cautious to keep your assets safe. There are many types of scams, but some common ones include phishing emails, where scammers pretend to be from a legitimate company to steal your information, and lottery scams, where you're told you've won a prize but need to pay a fee to claim it. Scams can often be recognized by red flags such as offers that seem too good to be true, requests for personal or financial information, high-pressure tactics, or threats. If you encounter any of these, it's a signal to be wary. To protect yourself, never give out personal information to unverified sources. Always double-check the legitimacy of offers, and use secure, traceable payment methods. Remember, if in doubt, it's safer to err on the side of caution. If you suspect you've encountered a scam, stop all communication with the scammer, report the incident to the authorities, and inform your bank if any financial information was compromised. It's important to act quickly to limit any potential damage. We hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge to avoid scams effectively. Stay alert, ask questions, and don't rush into anything that seems suspicious. Take care, and see you in the next video.